Hello and welcome to About 6 Acres. I'm Juana.
And I'm Nick.
And it's Vlogmas Day 17.
And I don't know if you can tell, but we're in our PJs, in our pajamas. We've been in our pajamas. Well, Juana's been in our pajamas mostly all day.
No, I was at work.
We've been in pajamas since like 5 o'clock.
This is actually not PJs.
Loungy wear.
But yeah, it's
throwback. Any of my 90s people, the Zubas pants, representing the Chicago Bears. But yeah, we're in our PJs because we were at church with our Awana group and our kiddos, and it was pajama day, the last day before Christmas break for them. So we had pajama day, celebrated Jesus' birthday with them in our PJs.
So that was a lot of fun. This is going to be a quicker video because we're literally going to try the watermelon ice cream that we made yesterday. We're going to try it out, and I'm really excited about it because It
better be good. It better be good. I have high expectations. High.
I have really low expectations, so we'll see how this pans out. But let's try it out. Getting back to what the ice cream looked like, and again, this is a 2-ingredient ice cream that was made with frozen watermelon chunks and sweetened condensed milk. 3 ingredients if you count the fact that I added in a pinch of salt. And so this is what it looks like, and in case you can't tell, this morning we got really excited and had to try it.
It looks like bubble gum.
It does have a really cool color. So we're just going to take a little bit and serve ourselves, and then we can let you know exactly what it tastes like.
And a little bit is relative.
Well, I can tell you that I have had quite a bit of sweets from church, so I don't know that I should have that much.
Sugar comes from a plant, so it's vegetarian. I don't know how much you want.
So how hard is it? Like, does it feel soft? Because I know we've made ice cream before, and
it's all. I mean, there's that. I'm gonna take that chunk out. But
yeah, we had to check.
I don't know how much you want.
Yesterday. I think
it
that's
rolls pretty.
It rolls easily.
Yeah, it rolls.
Okay.
Mixed well.
So this is what it looks like. And
eat it.
The first thing I'll say is it melts in your mouth. Like you put it in there and it just kind of melts.
And it's good that it's creamy. And it's not like just straight up fruit ices. So that creaminess is pretty good. And it's not
so
overly
good.
sweet too, because there's no like added sugar. It's whatever the fructose in the watermelon, and the sugar in the condensed milk. Pretty good. And it'll probably make good like smoothie stuff. So if you added it like straight to smoothie with like ice, it'd be really, really good.
Yeah, I think for this one, like I had seen variations of it with a little bit of lime, and I think having lime in there would be a nice contrast to it. It just tastes really good. Like this would be a nice, refreshing afternoon summer ice cream, you know, where it's not heavy. Like you don't have that heaviness of the cream. So I think in the summer this would be quite refreshing.
Brain freeze.
That's why I'm trying to take it slow.
It's in the eyeball. Oh.
But I know you have. I'm just gonna ignore it. I can't help them, right? Like when you have a brain freeze, what do you do? Let us know. I know like some people say put the tongue on the roof of your mouth and that makes it go down a little bit because that's where it gets cold. You just look like something is very wrong.
Wow.
Going back to this though, like the addition of a little bit of lime I think would be fantastic because watermelon lime. I think you mentioned adding some mint in there would be really
Yes,
good.
mint. Yes.
And the other thing that I would want to try next year is adding a little bit of basil, because I know we've made like the basil ice cream, and I think watermelon and basil would go well together as well. So good.
I wonder if like coconut milk
You can make
Yeah.
it with coconut milk, yeah. Like
would be nice.
there is a type of like coconut replacement can that you can use instead of using the sweetened condensed milk, like if you can't do dairy at all. And that's one of the things that I read that you could use. So all of those are great. The one thing I like is that it hasn't melted. Like I've tried icy like things, and as soon as you put it on there, it just starts to melt. And this one's held pretty well.
I think it's it. I don't know.
That's it for today. Thank you for checking in and having some ice cream with us.
I think we're gonna go to bed early since we're in our PJs. Get nice, warm, and cozy.
We'll probably shower because we were out and with a bunch of kids and it's the winter and we just don't want to get
I want to get sick for Christmas.
But thank you so much for joining.
Join us tomorrow, day 18. And remember, you're awesome and you're loved.
Until next time.